Hi, quick video to go over the difference between gross and net profit. So businesses want to be aware of costs, how much competitors charge, and they need to look at things like gross profit and net profit. They are the two types of profit. Gross profit then, this is the difference between the selling price and then what it costs the business. So if I buy 100 pencils at 10 pence each, that would be £10. So I bought pencils for £10. I sell them at 20 pence each. That's £20 that I've sold them for. What is my gross profit? Have a think. It's £10. So I've bought them for a tenner, sold them for 20 quid, made £10. Simple. But there are other expenses that we need to factor into this equation, and that's where net profit comes in. Net profit is the profit that's left over after all fixed costs and expenses have been taken away from gross costs. So it's all associated costs and expenses. So bought the 100 pencils at £10. We've sold them for 20 pence each. We've made £10. Brilliant. But then what we've got to do is we've got to deduct our expenses. So for the sake of this example, rent and wages, it's £5. How much is our net profit? Oops, it's just £5. So off to town you go and you buy 8 drinks. And as you can see, they're £2.50 each, bargain. I am going to sell them at school for £1. What is my gross profit? Well, the revenue, if I sold them all, would be £8 because there was 8 bottles there. They've cost me £5 to buy. My gross profit would be £3. A great idea, you think. However, there are other expenses. I've got my bus fare. It's cost me £1.10, and I've also had to buy a carrier bag at 25p. What's my net profit now after I've deducted all my expenses? Well, I've had to add the £1.10 and the 25p. So that comes to £1.35 worth of expenses. I need to deduct that from my original gross profit. So I have made £1.65. So them 8 drinks, going to town, buying them, coming back with my carrier bag, I've made £1.65p. That's gross and net profit.